In 2025, the smartphone may finally lose its crown. A new wave of futuristic AI gadgets is here. Devices so smart they can handle your calls, messages, navigation, even your health, all without a screen in your pocket. From wearable assistants to powerful AI companions, these innovations are rewriting what it means to stay connected. Let's explore the top 5 AI gadgets of 2025 that could truly replace your phone. Imagine living without a smartphone, yet still having all its power right on your shirt. That's the promise of the Humane AI Pin, a tiny wearable that clips to your clothing and works as a personal AI companion. Instead of a screen, it responds to your voice, projects information onto your hand with a laser display, and even has a built-in camera to capture your day. It can handle calls, messages, navigation, and translations, all while blending seamlessly into your routine. Humane designed it to feel natural and human, always there when you need it, and invisible when you don't. More than just a gadget, the AI Pin represents a bold step toward a future where technology feels less like a device and more like a trusted companion. Meet the Rabbit R1, a pocket-sized AI companion that's being called the future of smartphones. With its playful bright orange design and rotating camera, this little device is built to simplify your digital life. Instead of opening dozens of apps, the R1 uses a powerful action model to understand what you need and get it done. From booking rides and ordering food to playing music and answering questions, just ask, and it responds instantly with voice feedback, cutting away all the clutter of a traditional phone. At just $199, the Rabbit R1 is more than a gadget. It's a bold step toward technology that feels lighter, smarter, and always ready to help. Meet the OPPO Air Glass 3, futuristic smart glasses that look just like a stylish everyday frame, yet carry the power of AI right before your eyes. Lightweight and sleek, they connect seamlessly to your phone and can display messages, navigation, and real-time information without ever looking down at a screen. With built-in voice control and OPPO's advanced AI, these glasses respond naturally to your commands, while the open-ear speakers keep your experience comfortable all day. Blending fashion with function, the OPPO Air Glass 3 is more than eyewear. It's a glimpse of how AI wearables are set to replace the smartphone experience in 2025. Meet the Halo X glasses, futuristic eyewear created by 2 Harvard dropouts with one bold mission: to give you a perfect memory. These sleek glasses look like ordinary frames, but inside they carry AI that's always listening, recording, and transcribing your conversations in real time. Imagine never forgetting a name, a promise, or an idea. Everything you say or hear is captured and made searchable. Powered by advanced models like Google Gemini and Perplexity, the Halo X doesn't just record, it understands, providing instant context, reminders, and answers right when you need them. At under $300, they're designed to be affordable enough for everyday use, making this kind of superpower accessible to almost anyone. Of course, such technology raises big questions about privacy, consent, and how much of our lives we really want remembered forever. But love it or fear it, the Halo X glasses are a powerful glimpse of the near future. AI wearables that blur the line between human memory and machine intelligence, changing how we live, work, and connect. Meet the Light Phone 3, a smartphone designed to help you use your phone less. With its sleek, minimalist design, a crisp AMOLED black and white display, and just the essentials like calls, texts, maps, and a camera, it strips away all the noise of social media and endless scrolling.
Built with 5G, a fingerprint sensor, and even NFC for payments, it still feels modern while staying refreshingly simple. The Bowl isn't to keep you glued to a screen, but to give you a healthier digital balance, putting life back in your hands instead of endless apps. The Light Phone 3 is proof that sometimes the smartest phone is the one that does less.